Hey, it's Sav, and in this lesson we're going to be learning about an important concept about value ladders and how exactly it ties into sales funnels. A value ladder is basically the process in which a client will go through when he visits your sales funnel, right? Or as he visits through your business web pages. Uh, and the reason why a value ladder exactly is so important is because when a client or someone that first comes over to your service or business, they're not exactly going to give you a bunch of money up front, right? They're not just going to give you a bunch of money up front, right? They don't know who you are, right? Like, who are you? They don't know who you are. They've never heard of your name. They don't know anything. So the whole idea of a value ladder is giving them things of high value for a low price and then slowly upselling them. Okay, so let me give you a good example. Uh, I actually got this example from a book named .com Secrets from Russell Brunson, who actually goes extensively into this topic. Now, I'm going to give you an example of a value ladder for a dentist, for example. Okay, so a value ladder kind of looks something like this. Okay, it like a staircase, right? So our example is going to be a dentist, and let me just tell you right now, a value ladder can be used for any product or service. There's a lot of people that say, I don't know how to incorporate a value ladder into my funnel or business or whatever. You can incorporate a value ladder into your business, product, or service. You just got to get a little creative. In this case, let's look at the case for a dentist. Okay. So in a dentist case, they may have a promotion that says, hey, we're going to give you a free teeth cleaning. Okay. So a free clean. Okay. A free cleaning. And the whole idea behind this is, let's say you're, in your car, you're driving by and you see a clinic, a dentistry clinic promoting on their billboard, hey, we have a free teeth cleaning. Okay. You don't know these people, but you notice that they're providing a lot of upfront value. Now, if they're providing a lot of upfront value, you're going to want to go in and actually engage with this clinic, right? You're like, hey, you know what? They're providing a free cleaning. Let's go for it. It's free. So that's the whole idea of kind of incentivizing people to enter your sort of funnel process, your value ladder, right? Uh, we'll be talking more about how value ladders tie into the sales funnel process in other videos, but in this one, I just want to talk about value ladders, which is important to understand before we really get into the nitty gritty of sales funnels, right? So the first thing is, okay, free teeth cleaning. And then the next thing may be, okay, you're getting your free teeth cleaning in the clinic, right? And the dentist may, you know, take down your email number, phone number, your name, whatever. So you now manage to get someone that has now gotten a free teeth cleaning, uh, their lead, right? Their information, their contact information. So, they might have signed a form like, hey, my name is Jerry. This is my email. This is my phone number. I'm here to get a free teeth cleaning. So, what have they gained from this? Well, firstly, they've now got this person's awareness, right? And you've managed to turn traffic that was cold into traffic that now you can guide and become warm and eventually hot. Okay. And if you're wondering what I mean by that, well, cold traffic is traffic where they've never heard of you, they've never seen you before, they probably see you through ads, something like that, and that's pretty much what cold traffic is. Warm traffic is maybe traffic that has already entered through your funnel or has uh, understands what your business is about. They've probably seen you around, and you can market to them pretty easily by doing retargeting, etc. Hot traffic is traffic where people have already bought from you, and basically you're just able to retarget and remarket to these people and make money pretty easily. So a value ladder is pretty important for cold traffic, or really any kind of traffic, but cold is definitely one of the most important types of traffic because if you're able to master cold traffic, you're able to master internet marketing. So if we go going back to our example, sorry, I got off on a little tangent. If we go back to our example for free teeth cleaning, the dentist may say, you know what? Looks like you need some teeth whitening. Your teeth are a little yellow. Okay. So they may offer teeth whitening. Okay. and this teeth whitening may cost like, you know, 50, 100 bucks or something like that. And the customer to themselves is thinking, wow, I'm already getting so much value from this free teeth cleaning. Why don't I just get this free teeth whitening, right? Like, it's not that much of a big deal. It's only 100 bucks. Sure, why not? Like, I'm already getting so much value from these guys. I trust them now. I've kind of gained a little bit more respect for these people. So sure, I'll take you on that offer. I'll go for the free teeth whitening. Okay. Now, all of a sudden, the dentist may look at their teeth as they're getting the free teeth whitening, or afterwards, they might be like, hey, listen, it looks like you really need braces or a retainer because your teeth are crooked. That may not be healthy for you, etc. Right? So they may then offer a retainer or or braces. Okay. And so what ends up happening is the customer may look at that and be like, you know what? I got free teeth cleaning. I got free teeth cleaning. I got my teeth whitened. They did a great job in both regards. I got a lot of value from the free teeth cleaning. You know what? My teeth are a little crooked. Sure, I'm gonna go for the free or for the retainer or braces. Okay, and that might cost like, I don't know, 1,000 bucks, whatever. Okay, finally, uh, and by the way, I mean, a value ladder could be limitless, but let's just say it ends off over here where a dentist might say, oh, what about cosmetic surgery, right? Maybe the dentist looking at him says, yeah, you have no hope, dude. Like, what is wrong with your teeth, right? And then he offers him a cosmetic surgery option, which some people may take after getting all this. They're like, wait, it's really that bad? Okay, I mean, I guess I'll go for the cosmetic. So this whole thing, which by the way, this is kind of how a value ladder looks like, it can be summed by this, right? So if we look over here, this is the value, and this is kind of the cost as your value goes higher and higher. So in the beginning, you're only providing a free clean, right? And that value is on the low end, but incentivizes people to come into your system. Okay. Then what ends up happening is you're like, okay, well, this was free, but now I'm going to charge you a certain amount for this free teeth whitening. Okay. And because they've already been incentivized from this, they're going to be like, you know what? Sure, let's go for the free teeth whitening. Then the braces are going to be like, okay, yeah, why not? Right. And what ends up happening is you start making more and more money through the process, and each time your value is going higher, and as your value goes higher, the customer is like, you know what, yeah, you know what, yeah, like, because they're gaining more respect and trust from the services. Okay. And that's basically what a value ladder is in a nutshell. Okay. So this is pretty important for understanding what a sales funnel is, because it will allow you to easily garner trust and respect and allow you to sell more higher ticket items. Again, you just cannot go out and sell high ticket items just like that. You might get one or two sales, but you're not going to be able to have a long-term sustainable business with that. You really need to be providing value, and this is one of the ways you can do it. Now, if we were to really look at the skeleton of just any way you can look at it, is basically like this. If we have a value ladder, right? The first idea is you want to be providing a bait, right? So depending on the niche that you're going for, whatever your business is about, you need to provide a bait. You need to provide it for free, something like that, okay? After you provide this, you then give them an upsell. So maybe it's like $20, I don't know, something, right? And this might just be like a course, right? You might provide a course or something, okay? Uh, and then after a course, you may then provide a webinar funnel. Like you may have them go through your webinar so that you can sell your coaching services, right? Uh, and then after that, blah 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 blah, right? And that's essentially the whole idea of a value ladder. And well, yeah, I mean, in the next video, we're going to be going over how exactly this value ladder can tie into sales funnels, but it is very important for you to understand what this is. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like the video, just like. Yeah.